2 RTX 4090, 1 Cinema 4D scene. Let's see how fast cloud rendering really gets. This is iRender's GPU server 4S. Real hardware, tested live with Redshift. No render farm myths here, just the raw numbers. Setup time, render time, final cost. Stay to the end for the full benchmark. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log in to the iRender GPU app with your account. First time here. Your first top-up gets a 100% bonus, double the render power for the same money. Next, open Transfer Data and upload your project into the input drive. Your project folder syncs straight into iRender's cloud storage. No third-party tools needed. In the dashboard, we pick GPU Server 4S, the tier built around dual RTX 4090S. Name the machine, set the OS, and choose Cinema 4D plus Redshift pre-installed. iRender builds the machine image in seconds. No manual software installs required. Machine specs: AMD Threadripper PRO CPU, dual RTX 4090, Windows 10, priced at 15 points per hour. Pick a rental plan, book in 3-hour blocks, and save 10% compared to pay-as-you-go. Note: promotions and pricing can change over time. Always check our website for the latest rates. Boot the machine. It's ready to work in under 2 minutes. Connect to your machine and pick the closest gateway, Global, Seoul, or Vietnam, for the lowest latency. You're in a full Windows remote desktop running entirely in the cloud. First thing inside, activate your Cinema 4D and Redshift license through iRender's License Manager. License connected. Now let's open the project folder and launch Cinema 4D. Our test scene loads, simple in design but demanding on the GPU. Render settings: Full HD 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second, 300 frames, a real production length test. All project files and fonts are already in place. Nothing missing, nothing to fix. In Redshift Sampling tab, Unified Sampling stays at a tight 0.005 threshold for clean, noise-free output. System settings and bucket rendering are left at default. No special tweaks needed on this server. Time to render. We send the scene to Redshift's picture viewer. Watch both RTX 4090 spike to full load instantly. Dual GPU rendering at work. Redshift splits the workload across both GPUs automatically, no manual configuration required. Frame by frame, the history log tracks render time, and it stays remarkably consistent. This is what dual GPU cloud rendering should look like: steady, predictable, no bottlenecks. "300 frames is a real workload, enough to expose any GPU that can't sustain performance. And the render keeps running at full GPU utilization all the way to the very last frame. Done. All 300 frames rendered and saved straight into the Outputs folder. Every single frame. No drops. No corrupted files. Before leaving the machine, always disconnect your software license first. This frees up your Cinema 4D and Redshift license for your next session. From the machine menu, you can shut down, reset, clone, or switch rental plans anytime. Back in transfer data, the output drive holds our finished frames. One click to download everything straight back to your local computer. Your render results, transferred securely, ready to edit or deliver to your client. GPU Server 4S Dual RTX 4090 with 24 GB vRAM each. Threadripper PRO CPU, 256 GB RAM, 2 TB NVMe storage. New customers get a 100% first charge bonus, plus 10% off with 3-hour rental blocks. Note: promotions may change. Always check our website for current pricing. The result: 300 frames, full HD, 30 frames per second, averaging just 33.95 seconds per frame. If Cinema 4D and Redshift are part of your pipeline, this is the GPU power behind it. Next up, we push GPU Server 5S Quad RT X4090 to its limit. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.